Hi, ladies. Happy New Year. It feels so good to be back. Today, we have another wig unboxing and try on. And this wig is from a wig company we have not tried here on this channel before. This is from CurlyMe Hair. I've seen a bit of mixed reviews about this hair company. They reached out to me to try one of their wigs. So, we're going to try her on and I'll tell you what I think. Now, CurlyMe Hair is sort of known for having more natural hairstyles. They do have a lot of other styles and textures, but they're most known for having like curly hair, yucky hair, kinky hair, more natural textured wigs. The wig they sent me is this 22-inch, so I know somebody will ask. She's 22 inches. This 22-inch kinky straight wig with these loose curled ends. So that's the wig. But they also included a few goodies here in the box. There is a set of HD wig caps, some faux mink lashes, an elastic band to go on the wig, and a little hair care tip card. So let me show y'all the wig straight out of the cage. It smells really nice. The wig does smell a bit perfumed. It also smells chemically strong as well. The hair is very soft, like straight out of the package. Let me go ahead and show you the full cap instruction. And I absolutely love these curls. It's so cute and bouncy. Now this wig comes with a temple-to-temple lace. It also comes with the C-shaped ear cutout tabs over here on both sides. It has this silicone grip at the perimeter at the back of the wig for extra security. It also comes with the elastic drawstring, so you can make it as tight or as loose, a custom fit to your head. There are 3 combs in the wig, 2 at the front here, and there is 1 at the back. And I love that the combs here at the front are small. That way they're not going to dig into your scalp or into your hair. And the comb at the back is actually pretty wide. It's going to give you a lot of security in the back. And it does come with this detachable elastic band for extra security. And it does have a flexible, stretchy cap. Also like that the inside is brown. It's not that typical black that a wig cap would be on the inside. Okay. And here is the lace. It does come pre-cut and pre-parted down the middle, as you can see. The wig also comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and it has quite a bit of parting space. And if you're curious about the color, it should be picking up on camera. This wig has sort of a natural dark brown color. My natural hair is jet black, so you can kind of see the color difference here. This wig is more of a natural black or really, really dark brown. And you can really see up close that yucky texture. So super excited to try this one on. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up so I can show you how this looks straight out of the box. Now, I recently cut my hair into a bob, so it does make putting wigs on a lot easier. And that's that. So my initial thought is this wig fits so perfectly to my head, and the lace is laying so flat. Even over here on the sides, I'm pulling this up as I do that. But even over here on the sides, it's so flat. Now, obviously, the lace is not my color, but I do have a solution for that. The wig is also very lightweight. Like, this looks like a lot of hair on camera. And probably in person too. This looks like a lot of hair, if you get what I'm saying. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels very lightweight, very soft. I'm afraid to run my fingers through it because I don't want to ruin the curls at the bottom. Eventually, I'm going to brush it out, but this is how it looks straight out of the box. Now, for this lace situation, I am going to go in with my lace tint spray. This one here from Kiss in the shade medium dark brown. I'm going to take this off and go ahead and tint the lace. Now the lace is tinted. One of the things I really love about this lace tint spray is that it is quick Right, you saw how I just finished spraying that on there and it's already dry. And it's peach scented. It smells amazing. It doesn't have that chemicals aerosol smell. If you're interested in trying this out, I'll have it linked down below. It is on my Amazon storefront. But let's go ahead and put this wig back on, see what it looks like. Now, the lace is still a little bit visible. I mean, it blends in a lot better, like a lot better. But what I'm going to do to sort of get rid of that ashy look is I'm going to go in with some bronzer right on top of the lace to really help it blend in with my hair. So this is what the wig looks like now that I have pretty much concealed the ashiness of the lace. It blends in beautifully. I think the way that this hairline is plucked is A1. Okay. A1, hands down, this looks like my actual hairline. Like you can hardly tell the difference between my real edges, which these are my sidelines right here, and where the wig starts. And that's amazing. That's amazing. They did a beautiful job with the hairline on this wig. So I'm going to show you what she looks like in all her glory. Again, I absolutely love the curls at the end. I love how big and voluminous this wig is. If you know me, you know I love big hair. I love big hair. Here's what it looks like again from the back. This is a 22-inch wig, and for vertical reference, I am 5'4". Okay, now let me show you how much parting space this wig gets. Obviously, you have all of this here. It comes pre-parted straight down the middle, but you can also part it anywhere on the side. Get into it. Oh, and did you see how easily that parted? There was no snagging. Anyway, you can easily part it over here on the side, on the other side as well. And that is actually pretty far, pretty deep into my temple. You see how far over that side part is? Yeah, you can actually part it pretty deep. And because the hairline is so good, you can actually wear it pulled back. You can wear it up. You can wear it up, just tuck that drawstring in the back. Now, I know this probably doesn't mean much considering how many people get on the internet and rave about wigs all the time. But I am genuinely impressed with this wig. For it to be a kinky straight, have this good of a hairline, and I'm running my fingers through it, and it's not snagging, it's not tangling, it's not... Oh, we got one here. We got one here. I was going to say it's not shaying, but we got one here. It is very impressive. Now, I typically don't do this because I am usually, when it comes to wig, I'm like, wear it and be done, okay? I know most people like to keep on to their wigs, but I just don't feel that way about my wigs. I usually wear them, I enjoy them, and then I let them go. But I think with this wig, what I really want to do, because I'm so impressed, is I want to wear this wig for a while, see how it holds up after about 2 months. And the reason I want to do that is because typically with a yaki straight or a kinky straight or any type of texture wig, whether I get them or whether I buy them, they usually don't hold up well after a couple weeks. But I feel like this wig is going to be quite promising. But I'm going to test it out and I'm going to let you guys know. So if you're curious about how this wig holds up, definitely subscribe. Somewhere in like mid-February, I'm going to make a video and give you an update on this wig. So be on the lookout for that. But this is my first impressions of this wig. This is how she looks. I am now combing out or finger combing the curls here at the bottom. So you can see how that looks. She is gorgeous. Very fluffy, very full, easy to manage. And I feel like there's so many different hairstyles you could do with this wig. And she's actually making me excited. She's making me excited. Yeah, if you are interested in learning more about this wig or purchasing it for yourself, I will have the direct link with all of this information down in the description box below. And shout out to CurlyMe for sponsoring today's video and sending me this gorgeous, impressive wig. Thank you so much. If you are a wig lover like myself and you want to see more wig content, more wig videos, I have a full playlist over on my YouTube channel with all of my favorite wigs, so you can go ahead and check that out. And while you're there, make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And unless you just want to see me play with this hair some more, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you have an amazing new year, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.